Hello everyone. In this session, we'll explore how responsible data governance and compliance standards shape the way artificial intelligence is built and managed. AI is transforming our world. However, without strong data practices, it can easily lose direction. So, we'll look at how governance, validation, and data quality come together to make AI not only powerful, but also ethical, transparent, and trustworthy. Let's dive in. Let's begin with the foundation of it all, which is data governance. As AI becomes more powerful and independent, it's crucial that we manage the data behind it with transparency and care. Data governance gives structure and accountability to how data is collected, stored, and processed. JNO. It's what ensures that AI systems operate under clear ethical, legal, and technical standards. AI systems must not be just fast, but also fair. True governance combines structure with trust. Clear policies and accountability are important in order to ensure data practices align with both business objectives and social values. This consistency builds credibility and shows that our systems do what's right. In short, good governance keeps AI both efficient and human-centered. Now let's talk about the AI Act, which is one of the most important frameworks shaping AI governance in Europe. It focuses on three key principles: transparency, accountability, and fairness. These principles ensure that AI systems are explainable, auditable, and unbiased. The goal is to make sure AI grows responsibly and in a way people can trust. Compliance is where good intentions meet action. The AI Act requires organizations to document everything. Specifically, they must document from how data is collected and processed to how models make decisions. This traceability creates openness and builds public confidence. Authors. Add to that regular audits, data protection measures, and stakeholder engagement, and you get AI that's not only compliant, but genuinely trustworthy. Data quality is what separates smart AI from unreliable AI. Even the most advanced model can fail if the data behind it is flawed. That's why we use quality assurance techniques like profiling, cleansing, validation, and enrichment. These techniques make sure data is accurate, relevant, and fair. Maintaining integrity across the entire data lifecycle ensures that what goes into AI and what comes out can be both trusted. Let's look at what those quality techniques actually mean. Profiling helps us understand the structure of the data and detect anomalies. Cleansing removes errors and duplicates, like proofreading your data set. Validation makes sure data follows the right rules, while enrichment adds valuable context. Together, these steps keep our data and our AI precise, reliable, and ready for real-world use. Now, let's explore some essential tools you'll be using and why they matter for achieving the best results. In data governance, it's not enough to store data. We need to know where it came from, how it changed, and when. The Data Version Control tool helps with exactly that by giving datasets the same kind of version tracking we use for code. It lets teams reproduce experiments and verify that results come from the correct data. As another example, the LakeFS tool takes that idea further for large-scale environments. It turns your data lake into a version-controlled system where you can branch, merge, and roll back data just like in Git. These tools make it easy to trace every dataset used in AI training, which is a critical part of accountability and compliance under modern data regulations. Quality control is a cornerstone of responsible AI because even the best model can fail with bad data. Here are some relevant tools. Great Expectations helps teams define expectations about their data, things like ranges, formats, or consistency, and then automatically validates incoming data against those rules. SodaCore works in real time, constantly checking for issues in data pipelines and alerting teams when something doesn't look right. Together, these tools ensure that the data feeding your AI systems stays accurate, complete, and trustworthy, turning data governance from a checklist into a continuous process. Developed as part of the HumAIne project, the HumAIne to take a collection and management framework was built to keep AAI data both protected and accessible. It brings together identity and access management, single sign-on, and attribute-based access control in one system. This means users can log in easily, while access is limited to what's appropriate for their role or data sensitivity. The result is a secure, well-governed environment where every action is traceable and compliant. What makes it distinctive is how these technologies are combined specifically for AI and human AI collaboration, offering strong protection without adding friction. It turns data security from an afterthought into a seamless, built-in part of responsible AI operations. Everything we've discussed comes together here: governance, validation, quality, and compliance. Governance sets the ethical framework, validation ensures accuracy, and quality assurance keeps our data strong. Compliance adds the layer of accountability that holds it all together. When these pillars work in harmony, we build AI that is functional, ethical, transparent, and worthy of public trust.